Hello everyone, welcome back. So a few weeks ago, some of you hit me up and asked, hey, what do you think about the new Palace drop, the Spring Summer 18? Is it good? Is it hype? Is it cop? Is it drop? So here I have the first Palace cop ever. I've been watching some Palace lookbook for a little while. I see that they make a lot of dope designs, they do some cool stuff, but I never really had the motivation to go ahead and press order. Until recently, I placed this order for a girl, and I'm actually very surprised at what we got here. So let's take a look. We have 3 items in total. The first thing that really impressed me is the packaging. You see that they use those Ziploc bag on t-shirts. Compared to Supreme, they use just a regular plastic bag, and these are not regular Ziploc. They have the Palace logo on it, so it's a custom-made bag just for Palace. So this very first tee we have here is a P-Moon tee. They make it in several different colorways. Like, they make a lot more colors. I think they have like 7 or 8 colorways just for this t-shirts. So that's the first thing. The printing job is amazing. It's super good quality, nothing like those anti-social crap. And this one is a size small. They don't have a size tag, it's printed on it, and like I said, the printing quality is very good. And here you have the wash tag. The way they stitch the wash tag is different. It's inside of the seam, and you can see that the printing and the quality of the wash tag are very good too. One thing I noticed is that the material of the t-shirt itself is very good, very soft. It's nothing, you could see that it's not something from like Gildan's or all those crap. And the second item I have here is a card holder. Let me just bring this one up. It's super shiny, this one. From the pictures, I thought that it's gonna be a little bit like brushed silver, a little bit like that, but no. It's definitely a mirror color. If I put lights on it, it flashes on me. So imagine on a hot summer day, bright sun, you're definitely gonna blind people with that, man. And the leather on this thing is pretty soft. It's not super soft, but it's definitely not hard leather, so it's gonna be easy to pull out the cards and put back the cards in. The third item I have here is a sticker pack. So Palace, they like to sell sticker packs, and they sell very fast. Like I'm telling you, this thing sell like as fast as the t-shirts. On these stickers, they reuse the design that they put on the t-shirts. Like this one is a split logo, this one is the P-Moon, like the t-shirt that we just took a look at. This is the new Tri-Ferg. I think it's super dope. I'm gonna cop the t-shirt when they release later this season. And this one is the most anticipated graphic of the year. They also hooked me up with 1 extra Tri-Ferg. Thank you very much, Palace. I appreciate that. So that's all I have, 3 items in total. I personally was super impressed with the quality that they put on the t-shirts. The printing and the blanks were on point. Did you cop anything last week from the first week drop? If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so that's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm super impressed with Palace, and I will try to cop more this season. And remember, next week is a week 1 from Supreme Spring Summer 18, so stay tuned on that. Hopefully I can cop some dope items like last season. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, guys.